Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to talk about what is the reason, means why do we yawn. According to some very attentive researchers, human beings tend to yawn about 8 times per day. That number is probably larger if the day is spent with other people who yawn, or if it's spent, say, for example, reading an article about yawning. Are you yawning yet? The visual of someone yawning, or even simply the thought of the act, often causes involuntary mimicry. People yawn at the highest frequencies when they have just woken up and when they are tired. But other times a yawn escapes for no apparent reason. So why do we yawn to begin with, and why does it seem to be contagious? So let's dive into it. A 2007 study by psychology professor Andrew Gallup concluded that yawning likely to serve to regulate the temperature of the body and the brain. When we open our mouths to yawn, our jaws stretch down to their near lowest position, heightening blood flow in the area that is then cooled by the quick intake of air. Gallup's research showed that when participants in the study were warned, the rate of yawning increased when exposed to images of the act. But when participants were in a cooler environment or had placed cold ice packs on their foreheads, the rate of yawning was noticeably lower. At the end of a long tiring day of heated brain activity, yawning functions as a coolant to the literal sleepyhead. So the real question is why it is contagious. The contagious nature of yawning is believed to stem from empathy, or an innate recognition that if someone else is in need of a brain cool down, you might be too. There are also theories that yawning acts as an alerting mechanism, showing that an individual within a group is possibly in danger or at least wary. A yawn may simply be the body's way of alerting others that current environment just is not suitable for reasons of boredom. So my beautiful viewers, if you like my videos, like it, share it, comment in the comment section below and spread it all over the world. Thank you.